Welcome to day 83 of my 100 Days of Webflow journey. Today's video is going to be simple. We're just going to copy a layout from Figma-to-Webflow. We're going to use the Figma-to-Webflow plugin. It's going to take us a few minutes just to do that, and then it's all about fine-tuning it to make sure that it follows the style guide or it follows whatever theme that you are following. So without further ado, let's see this in action. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 Days of Webflow journey. Let's go. So what we'll do today is copy this design into Webflow. Now we're gonna try to use the client first style system. So this is the project starter. This is a client first clonable. It has the style guide of client first and it's set up with variables. I've done this in a previous episode. I'm gonna leave a link to it below so you can check it out. Now I'm gonna use Figma-to-Webflow to copy this design. This is set up in auto layout, so I can easily copy it. If your design is not set up in auto layout, you need to set it up in auto layout to copy it in the Figma-to-Webflow plugin. So I'm gonna copy the entire design and then I'm gonna adjust it here in Webflow. So first thing, let's set up the page layout. So first thing, we'll have page wrapper. This is the main wrapper. And then we will actually, let's just get a navbar from here. Let's just get this navbar. We'll use it, we'll delete the one that is there. We'll use this navbar and then we will set up the project. So we have a page wrapper. This will be main wrapper. And I think this is duplicated as well. And then we'll have the sections inside main wrapper. We'll take the footer out of main wrapper. So in main wrapper, there's only sections and there are only two sections. So we have section header, which is this one, and it has the intro text. So this is pulling from a background image. It has a minimum height. Let's keep that. And then there's the intro text inside. So let's see how this is done. So if we set this to flex, center, this is centering good. Let's remove this absolute, just set it absolute full. And this is basically it. Next, we will continue with the section here. So this section has a spacing. We'll remove that. Let's remove it. Let's just call it section content, and it will have container medium. So let's say container medium. So this container medium is by client first. This is, why is this all over the place? So this is here for some reason. Let's just try to bring it back. Oh, so section header is a relative. Section header needs to have a height as well. So 50 rems, or yeah, let's just 50 rems, and then this will not have a height. Okay, so this is fixing that. We're back, we can see the header here. So let's fix this up. So this will be called heading 2, heading style h2. I will remove this bit. We will take the paragraph out of this box here. Let's keep this filter. Let's call this text size medium. Okay, and then let's give section content padding section large. So there's some padding, and then let's call this, or let's delete this and call it grid wrapper. And then here, this will be the grid itself, grid content, and this will be a grid. Now this will be out of the grid, so this will just be this one. Okay, so let's unwrap this. So now it's copying the style. So this is how we want it. Let's give some spacing in between them. So maybe 2 rems between each, or let's say even 5 frames between each. So this is looking better. Let's fix this up. So this is the load more button. Let's give it a style, or let's just duplicate this style, or let's rename this style. So this is load more text, and let's add some spacer. Now I'm gonna leave this as a clonable so you can clone it. I'm gonna work more on it. This is day 83, so I'm doing something. This perhaps will be H3, and perhaps even this entire thing will be a CMS, so it will just be one style. And yeah, we can continue with the footer. Let's say this is container medium or container large, just the main container. This is footer column. You can see footer column 2 and so on. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the clonable in the description below, but that's basically the video for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I taught you something today. I'm gonna leave a link to the clonable in the description below, so make sure to check it out. See you tomorrow in day 84.